frown upon my face. Just left Wisconsin, where there's cheese enough to start this rat race. But thanks to the brothers' rise, we don't know where we'll sleep tonight. Yeah, I'm a bird in the sky, and tomorrow when I rise, I'll wake up in Paris with a new love in my heart. Or maybe Germany with that brand new pet I met in Stuttgart. Sky's the limit, it's time to play. I'll put down roots some other day. No need to be a lonely Joe. The jet set is the only way to go. Would you like music and mystery? Each and every day, who's the same old music and history? Make a new friend, then fly away. Way up in Texas, where they treat their women right. And then try Hollywood, where the stars get lived out in broad daylight. Any city, near or far, feels twice as good as where you are. Got what it takes to love, but the thought is bird like you explode. The jet set's just gone. On the day of the jet set goes up, but railway so right
down to Italy. La bella femina, jump in a fountain for a big glass of la dolce vita. If your tastes run more risque,
well, then we know a joint is all on Bay. So hang on tight, let's do-de-doo. It's time to buy this chicken. So pack up your suitcase and go where he's having a date. Come out and play, but cruise the world to find your perfect playmate.
things look better from above. So buckle up, next stop is love.
Timbuktu to Tokyo, from Mozambique to Mexico. Your jet set is the only way to go.
Hello, my name is Elder Price, and I would like to share with you the most amazing book. Hello, my name is Elder Smith, and can I leave this book with you for you to just peruse? Hello! 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 I'll just leave it here. It has a lot of information you can really use. Hello. Hi. My name is Jesus Christ. You have a lovely book. Hello. It's an amazing book. Bonjour. Hola. Ni hao. Me llamo Elder White. Are these your kids? Who gives you the secret to eternity? Hello. Hello. My name is Elder Cunningham, and we would like to share with you this book of Jesus Christ. Hello. Keep going. Just take this book. It's real. You see, you simply won't believe how much he's just take this book will change your life so you won't burn in hell. You're gonna die someday, but if you read this book,
Just like Cain and Abel, you pulled a sneak attack. I thought that we were brothers, then you stabbed me in the back. Betrayed. Oh boy, I'm so betrayed. Like Samson and Delilah, your love began to fade. I'm crying in the Hooskow, you're in Rio getting laid. Betrayed. Let's face it, I'm betrayed. Boy, have I been taken. Boy, I'm so forsaken. I should have seen what came to pass. I should have known to watch my ass. I feel like Othello. Everything is lost. Leo is Iago. Max is double-crossed. I'm so dismayed. Did I mention I'm betrayed?
Don't worry, little body. Know this much is true. Tomorrow is a latter day, and I am here for you. Tomorrow is a latter day. Tomorrow is a latter day. Tomorrow is a I am a latter-day saint. I help all those I can. I see my friends through times of joy and sorrow. What happens when we're dead? Think that far ahead. The only latter-day that matters is tomorrow. The skies are clearing and the sun's coming out. It's a latter-day tomorrow. Your worries and your sorrows and your cares away, and focus on the latter day. Tomorrow is a latter day. I believe tomorrow is a latter day. Like joy and love, it's a latter day. Tomorrow's a bigger latter Tomorrow is a latter day. Tomorrow's a doper latter Why are Mormons happy? Because we know it's a latter day tomorrow. So if you're sad, put your hands together and pray that tomorrow's gonna be a latter day, and then it probably will be a latter day. Tomorrow is a latter day. Thank you, God. And I believe a why. Tomorrow is a I still have maggots in my stomach.
Ahí els tenim, és la Folla Duc de Gaeta, Pobla de Farnals, el seu grup infantil de playback. Ja està a l'escenari principal, Bein Sports, en esta Family Weekend, la festa de l'afició valencianista. Els aplaudiments fan en referència a aquesta bona actuació. Agraïm i felicitem a aquest grup de playback una vegada més.